Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game and device meet basics, newest Brawl Stars build, and enough free storage. Once done, clear the app cache or data to remove corrupted UI assets, then restart your phone so the engine reloads fresh files. Make sure to open settings right arrow graphics in-game and set texture quality to medium or low to force asset recache. That often immediately restores button textures. You are moving from shallow fixes to actions that rebuild the UI state. Next, you perform a deeper reset by reinstalling Brawl Stars. This forces a full download of button images and UI atlases. Backup progress or link Supercell ID first. While reinstalling, ensure storage or media permissions are allowed so the game can write and read assets. Missing permissions can leave placeholders transparent. Also, once reinstalled, test loading screens on both Wi-Fi and cellular to verify the assets finish downloading. Intermittent networks can create missing textures. To finish, update your phone OS and any GPU driver packages. Driver bugs can cause transparency. Reset in-game settings to defaults and then reapply your preferred options to ensure no legacy flags cause rendering issues. If the problem persists, collect logs via the app support right arrow contact us flow and report the exact device model, OS version, and steps you took. This helps developers reproduce the bug. Troubleshooting tip: if only one account shows transparent button,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.